Hey guys, welcome back to my latest video, and this video will be a review of my model jet engine. This is electric, but there is some people that do like homemade gas jet engines. That's crazy. So let's just get started with the review. So here it is, and this is the fan for the engine, and here is all the gears, and the brand is, well, the brand's actually Smithsonian right there, and it's just very cool. So like if you do have interest in this model, just look up Smithsonian jet engine and it should come up right away. This is actually a little popular now. I mean, I prefer this this may take 2 people to build. It's actually pretty hard to build, but I mean, it's also pretty interesting to build too, because you're actually building like a electric jet engine. And a cool fact is, there's actually a spot right there. It actually works, and that's the button to turn on. But we'll get started on that in just a minute, or yeah. So the detail is right there. It actually kind of says like what the speed is, how fast the blade is going, and stuff. You know, here's the engine nozzle that actually spins. In real life, it doesn't, but I mean, this one apparently does. But it's still very realistic, trust me. And I want to show you the engine. Wait, that's the engine for like, it's the engine for to spin this. Now, real engines, they actually have an engine like a whole entire real engine. This is just the gears and stuff in the engine, but the motor's actually in there. But it's still like very realistic. And yeah, and here's the no step logo, because no one wants to step by the spinning blade. Ouch, that would hurt. And one thing I want to show you guys, the very exciting part. I'm going to turn this thing on, and just to warn you guys, just turn your volume down, like, not all the way, but like, probably like, I don't know, just turn it down, and, because it is kind of loud, but that's okay. Jet engines can be loud. Of course, they are loud, but this is what it sounds like, and this is how it goes. Watch this is full power. I don't want to do full power. It's actually pretty loud when you do full power, but see, told you how it works. But watch this. And one thing I want to show you guys, one more thing in this video, is it does come with this cover, just like so your hands don't hit that, but it's actually a pretty big pain in the butt to get that on, but I mean, it's okay. I'm not really gonna complain too much about it. But guys, you really don't need that on there anyway. It's probably way easier. Because if this is on, that blade can actually hit that, and it actually makes quite a big noise. But, I mean, that's what the box says. I mean, might work for some of you guys, but it's actually pretty hard. So that's the end of this review. Please subscribe if you're new, and please comment if you would like, and please like. Wait, sorry, did I just say that right? Sorry, guys. And I guess I'll just see you in my next videos. Bye.